Ads is a social networking platform that allows you to advertise your business to a stream of unique audiences. I'm sure you've seen posts that appear with a sponsor tag on them. Facebook Ads provides different formats and business objectives to advertise with, such as a like on your page, generation of leads, and more. If you want to boost your social media account performance, it's time to upgrade your Facebook strategy this year, and this is where to begin. Formats diversity. Facebook offers a wide variety of ad formats and placements to support your marketing strategy. The type you choose will depend on the content to be delivered and the objectives achieved with your audiences. If you want to impact and achieve your goals with Facebook ads, factors such as creativity, segmentations, campaign objectives, and ad formats must be considered. Here's to give you perspective on the currently trending formats. Take a closer look at what they're all about. Carousel ads. Show up to 10 images or videos with their links, allowing you to highlight different products from your online store, show specific details about each one, and promote brand awareness. Isn't that cool? If you're looking for a quick campaign setup, you can also use single images to showcase different services or products separately. Pro tip: we recommend using at least 2 formats for the same ad in your campaigns. Facebook Live. Did you know that users watch approximately 100 million hours of videos on Facebook every day? Facebook Live is trending and has allowed businesses to increase brand awareness, discover customers' intent, and boost engagement, enhancing sales performance. Video ads. Use videos in Facebook newsfeed to showcase your product, service, or brand. Include motion and sound to quickly engage and showcase your business's unique products, features, or share your brand story. Static ads have become a thing of the past, and with 82% of online traffic projected to come from videos, it's no wonder during the last 2 years we've seen how video platforms such as TikTok have changed the way users view content. Our audiences now prefer more dynamic and fast content. This insight is just a reassurance that video ads on Facebook and Instagram are a must moving forward. Many creative opportunities come from video ads, giving you options such as uploading a testimonial in your remarketing campaign, showing off top-selling products, or introducing the story behind your brand. If that isn't enough, Facebook ads allows you to take advantage of Instagram Reels. How about giving video ads a spin to give engagement a boost? Pro tip: if you don't have a creative team or the resources to create a video, you can always rely on video slides. When setting up your ad, you can create a video inside Facebook with images that you already have or upload new visuals for this platform. Stories. Facebook Stories have a full-screen vertical ad that appears between your community Facebook stories. There is a limit where videos longer than 15 seconds get split into different story cards but play one after the other. After the first 3 segments of a story have played, viewers can choose to keep watching or return to viewing their friends' stories. Businesses use this format to express and boost the creativity of their brand. Stories make your business click with audiences by making your content quick and easy to digest through the distractionless canvas of their mobile phones. Takeaways. Now, do you get what all the buzz about Facebook ads is about? Awesome, right? Make the most out of your marketing budget and consider new marketing avenues for your business. Facebook advertising can become ground to propel your business marketing online and differentiate you from competitors. Before moving along to test out these new strategies for your PPC efforts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos about the digital marketing industry. We post new content every week. See you in the next one.